Now we got the best for last and the biggest one by far. As you know, this car came modified. It does have a bunch of modifications, including an AWE cold front, which is a bigger heat exchanger for this car. But you know what's better than bigger? The biggest heat exchanger for this car by the ones and only Canadian Auto Performance. Oh.
Oof. What? What in the world?
Why is this so big?
This thing is going to be the key for us to make high horsepower in a reliable manner. Why? Well, it's going to significantly lower intake air temperatures and avoid heat soak, which is a big thing in Florida where I'm from.
Just for reference, 2 inches and a quarter around there. That is crazy. Look at the difference. 3 inches. No.
Before we can install the new one, we have to remove the old one. But one thing I'm wondering, it is so much bigger, I'm actually questioning if it actually fits or not.
Now you get a really good comparison. Not only is it way thicker, it's also taller. Wow, look at that. This is definitely gonna be the most epic first drive ever. A little twisty. Oh my, this is just massive. What? Wait, are you sure this fits?
I spent a good amount of time analyzing how to make this fit, but I quickly realized I was the issue. I wanted to use the existing hardware from the previous setup. I didn't want to remove the bash bar or drill new holes and use its new brackets. Unfortunately, since the unit is so much bigger, I had to do so.
Sheesh.
And now, just like that, it fits perfectly. When I'm saying it couldn't be a centimeter bigger, I mean it. It fits just perfect. Thankfully, I used the existing hoses and the routes and didn't have to touch much, which is great. Massive thank you to Canadian Auto Performance. All these things are going to be a must once we fully tune the car.